Hello guys, today I just unboxed my little video MiG 130 water machine from, who makes this? Vevor, I think that's how you say it. But man, these instructions are shit, man. It doesn't explain nothing. I did some research on this stuff and figured it out on my own. But it comes with the torch. It comes with the ground clamp, the electrode clamp, and your MIG gun. This comes attached. It's all rolled up in here whenever you buy it. And it comes with your little chipping hammer and wire brush. It comes with the glasses. This is the package your wire comes in. It comes with that 0.8 flux wire. It's for gasless. And if I'm looking at this right, this welding rig ain't made for MIG welding with the gas. You can TIG torch, well, you can lift TIG with the argon gas, but not for your MIG, because I don't see no gas connections for it. I'll show you the back of it. Yeah, see, there's nowhere to install your gas line for your MIG. Now the TIG torch, on the other end of it, it's got the gas hose, the argon gas hose that you're gonna hook up to your regulator, and then to your, that goes on the argon tank itself. But it comes with 2 ceramic cups. These are ceramic cups. I think it's a 5 and a 6. It comes with 2 of these. And the body, I already got it set up inside the TIG torch. And this here is your valve to control how much argon you want shooting your shooting your weld. These are the size of your cups. This is a 5. But anyways, I had to figure this out on my own. Did a little research. That's how you take the ceramic cup off. This is the body. This is another one of them inserts. This one here's got numbers. The other one don't. It says 2.0 and a 564. You can buy different ones for different tungstens. I heard the gray tungstens were the best ones to use. But anyways, you want to put the convex side where the gas hose are on the body, like so. And screw this bad boy in there like so. Slide your tungsten in there, and you can tighten it up with the holder. This comes with it. This comes apart too. See? But anyways, once you slide your tungsten in there, you tighten the holder part up to hold it in place. Slide that part in there like that. Then you gotta buy the filler wire. It didn't come with the package. But yeah, here's my little rig. This is the spool holder. It's got the spring back here, and then the washer, and then the nut to hold it all in place. This is your tensioner. You can loosen it or tighten it up. You want to put a little tension on it. Oh, let me see something real quick. Yeah. Anyways, this is actually what it's mashing down on. When you tighten this part up, it squeezes that down, and then it's pretty much the strength of how hard you want your wire, mashing down on something. Because if it's too loose and your wire's coming out, and it didn't arc right, and it just keeps on coming. You accidentally keep holding the trigger down. It's gonna bird nest right up here. Now you want to tighten this up to put a little tension on it, so when you do mash, whenever it does mash, it doesn't bird nest. It'll actually start bending. But you don't want to put too much tension on it neither. But anyways, this what the controls look like. This is your cycle from lift TIG to your MIG to your MMA, which is your arc. And these are your volts. It's got from 1 to 10. These are your amps. It goes from 20 to 130. And whenever you go to TIG torch, you want to hook your other end of your TIG torch to the negative side, like so. And then of course your blue hose is gonna go to your argon tank with the regulator on it. And then your ground clamp, whenever you TIG torch, your ground's gonna go to the positive side, which on mine is the bottom. And these things here, it's got a little notch cut out where it only goes in one way. But whenever you push it in, you gotta turn it to the right until it stops. Whenever I first put it in there, I thought I was twisting the boot. I thought I was just turning the boot, but no, it's actually turning, and it will stop. But yeah, that's whenever you TIG torch, and it's the same as using the flux cord, the gasless wire. You're gonna set it up where your ground clamp is gonna be on the positive. And here's your MIG gun, like so. But anyways, if you ever need to change your MIG tip off, you just pop it straight out. You can wiggle it a little bit, shake it up, and it should come right on there. See? You can change your tip out, and they got different tips for different size line. This is 0.8. I don't know if you can see that, but that's a 0.8 on the tip. You just slide it right back on in there. Like so. I always have my tip sticking out about 1/4 of an inch. I figured that was the best way for me to weld. But like I said, this in here, and it also don't got a wire speed, so you have to just play with your settings and then adjust them accordingly to however fast your speed your wire's coming out. You know what? It might be one of them triggers where, you know, one of them controlled triggers, but nah, it's just one button. I hear one click, so all or nothing pretty much. But anyways, I don't see a wire speed. If anybody sees something I'm not seeing, please comment. But yeah, here's what all the stuff it comes with: chisel, glasses. It's the package for your wire, your electrode for your arc. And whenever you go to use your arc, of course you're gonna hook the ground to the ground, and then your electrode clamp, you're gonna hook it to the positive. That's a setup for that. I haven't quite. I had some old arc rods. I believe they were 70-18, but it was the big kind, and it didn't go too good. So I'm just gonna start off. I'm gonna go buy me some of them small ones, some of the small rods and practice with them. But yeah, this is my little setup, man. Just on and off switch, ground the machine off. But yeah, these instructions, man, they don't does nada for me. But if y'all got, you might get better look at it than I can. But that thing confused the shit out of me. But good luck to you, man.